Hello friends, I thought you might enjoy the process of seeing how I go from yarn to cloth. Stick around. First of all, I take a skein of yarn and wind it into a ball. That makes it possible to use the yarn without it tangling. Secondly, I use that yarn to warp the loom. The process takes time, and it's good to have a helper on hand. After you've warped the loom, now it's time to weave, and this is the fun part because you can follow a pattern, or you can do what I do and just make it up as you go along, and that's what I think is really fun. And finally, as you finish up weaving, try to make sure you get all the yardage you can out of that warp, and then it's time for the great reveal. Take that gorgeous cloth off the loom and check out each part. Next, share your project with somebody who will appreciate it with you. Check this out. Next, step back and appreciate the work you've done and how it turned out. It's so rewarding.
Sound effects.
Sound effects, yeah. And a little bit of slobber here on the corner.
See, I'm also happy about it. Looks like it.
Oh, she's liking it too. It's got just a softness about it. Love it. Now here on the end you can see I've got a little bit of a triangle, and that's where I bring some of the warp yarns in and weave them into the weft. And you can also see where I just dragged it through the dirt. But it's alright. It'll be fine. And finally, gently wash the fabric and either lay it flat to dry for a super flat, smooth look, or hang it to dry if you don't really mind a little bit of texture. There she is. What do you think, Pup? I'm really happy with it. I am really happy with it.